Welcome to Nupur's Indian Kitchen. Nothing like cozying up with a bowl of warm soup, right? How about some healthy soup for dinner tonight? Spinach soup. Let's make this lush green, silky smooth and delicious soup together. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We need 700 grams or approximately 3 bunches of spinach leaves, 1 cup or 240 milliliters of whole milk, 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of powdered black pepper, 6 grams or half a cube of any veggie or chicken stock, and salt to taste. Alright, let's get started. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a pan set on low heat and add the spinach leaves in. Place a lid on the pan and cook till the spinach leaves wilt. They should approximately take 5 minutes or so. You can also blanch the leaves in hot water instead, but I prefer to cook it in this way because I think blanching reduces the nutritive value of the leaves. Once the leaves look wilted, give them a quick stir so all the leaves wilt thoroughly. Don't stir this for too long, if not the leaves will lose their beautiful bright green color. Transfer the leaves to a blender jar and add the milk into the blender jar. Now blend this to a silky smooth paste like this. Wipe off any residue on the pan. Set it on medium heat and add the butter in. Add garlic. Stir fry the garlic for approximately 30 seconds or so. You could also use powdered garlic instead. Now add in the all-purpose flour. Stir fry the roux till it turns light golden in color. This should approximately take a minute. Now turn down the heat to low and add the spinach paste in. Rinse out the blender jar with around half a cup of water and add that in as well. Mix this well. Crush the stock cube and add that in. Add powdered black pepper and mix well. Check for salt. Add salt as needed. Cook till the soup starts to simmer and gets thick. This shouldn't take more than 3 to 5 minutes. If you haven't already, do check out some other recipes on my channel Nupur's Indian Kitchen and subscribe if you like them. Alright, soup is ready. This tastes delicious as it is, or you could always garnish with some heavy cream if you wish. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If yes, do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow me if you're on any of these different social media sites, and for written recipes, do visit my blog. All the links are in the description. Alright then, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.